Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add and delete cover art in Notion. This is just a simple way to add some aesthetics to your Notion pages, especially if it's like your LifeOS or homepage or a project cover page. And all you need to do is have a page open and go scroll your mouse up and it will show an add icon, add cover, add verification, add comment, and we'll click on add cover. Now it will automatically generate one for you. You can change this and upload your own art, or you can choose a different one, or you can roll the dice and generate. It will take about 30 seconds or more to generate it. But you can also download them if you like it as well. So that is how you add. And again, to delete, you want to click on change and remove. They didn't make it super easy for you to just delete it. So hope this helps. Thank you.